Hi guys, this is Matthew the Clock Boy here, and today I had the bit adventures and it's been a lot of fun, and I didn't make videos for a long time, so I made another one. So today I'd like to talk to you all about how nice my fur grandfather clock looks in my house. And I have something to talk to you before we explore it. On my 9th birthday, I just got that. And I wound it up and I set the pendulum. And I really want to make another video. And I just really want to know if I will show you. So first stop, let me show you the pendulum and the weights. The pendulum and the weights are a bit like metal. And here's the clocks that I showed you before. And here's the one I'm showing you now. So, just don't care about what's that down there. Anyways, it ticks well, and like the chains are still metal. And as you can see, there on the beautiful page. It's a bit beautiful. And I'll do another video on the clock up there. So, yeah. And as you can see, so this is how they hold, this is why they hold the chains together. So, that chain goes to that way. The middle one goes to that way. And that chain goes to that way. I'll tell you why it has 3 weights. So, a 2-way clock is, the left one is for the chime, and the right one is for the time, and a 3-way clock is, this one is for the strike, this one is for the time, and this one is for the Westminster and St. Michael's in Winnington. But I'll show you them in a few videos. So this is how the dial looks like in Germany, but like these are the silver hands. They are like they're made of metal. Because the reason why they make clock faces on Germany is because I don't know it, because if they have, because the reason why it's made in Germany, because I know it's so blurry, but I'll read it for you. It says made in Germany. And also, well, I figured that's all I have to do today, and then after that, I'll show you the chime on it. Okay, bye! If you have fun today, click on my other videos to see me and my beautiful games and clocks. Click on the red button to subscribe to watch more of my videos and my beautiful games and clocks. Bye!